In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the current costs for Microsoft Excel and related packages, a topic that's especially useful if you're residing in the Philippines. Whether you're an individual user or running a small business, understanding your options is crucial. We'll delve into the one-time purchase options, which are ideal for those who prefer to invest in software upfront rather than juggle ongoing subscription fees. First up, let's talk about the one-time purchase of Excel as a standalone product. If you need just Excel, without any accompanying applications, you can buy it outright for your PC or Mac at a cost of $179.99. This option is perfect for those who primarily use Excel for data analysis, creating spreadsheets, or financial planning without needing other tools. Next, we have the Office Home 2024 package. This suite includes Excel, along with Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote, giving you a robust set of tools for both home and educational use. If you find yourself frequently switching between writing documents in Word, crafting presentations in PowerPoint, or taking notes in OneNote, this bundle is a great option. The beauty of this package is its one-time cost of $149.99, which gives you lifetime access to these vital tools without worrying about monthly or annual fees. For those in a business environment, the Office Home and Business 2024 package might be more up your alley. In addition to the applications found in the Office Home 2024 suite, this package also includes Outlook. Having Outlook is invaluable for managing email communications, scheduling meetings, and keeping track of calendar events, ensuring your business operations run smoothly. This package comes at a one-time cost of $249.99, which is a worthwhile investment for those who rely heavily on effective communication and organization in a professional setting. These one-time purchase options are ideal if you prefer full ownership of your software without the recurring expense of a subscription. Each option tailors to distinct needs, from basic spreadsheet usage with Excel alone to comprehensive Office functionality with the full Home and Business suite. Knowing these options can significantly influence your decision-making process when selecting the right Microsoft Office package to meet your needs. Always remember to consider both your immediate requirements and future demands when making your choice. Ultimately, the goal is to find a solution that offers the most value and functionality for your personal or business needs. That wraps up today's exploration into the costs of Microsoft Excel and its related packages. I hope this breakdown has provided a clearer understanding, helping you make an informed choice. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring practical tech solutions for everyday use.